guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be learning how you can paint two very simple Christmassy themed greeting cards. So for that all you'll need is watercolor paper, watercolor paints, pens to write the message, brushes, jar of water, masking tape and a rough cloth. Exact material list will be mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Let's start. As we are making greeting cards, I'll fold my sheet into half and then apply masking tape on all sides of the paper. And to draw the ornaments, I'll grab any circular object and draw around it, making sure that the middle one is larger compared to other two ornaments around it. This is because we'll be painting a landscape on a larger ornament. Then I'll lightly sketch out the house and the road, and I'll start painting the sky with the blue color. So while my sky is drying, I'll move on to next two ornaments, and for that I'll just give the polka dot effect on them. Then I'll move on to painting the house, the pine trees, the snow on the land. To give the effect of snowfall, I'll splatter some white color on it. Then I'll just give a flat wash of indigo on the background. Lastly, I'll add few more details with the white marker pen, and then you can remove the masking tape and write the message you want. For the second greeting card, we'll be painting wintry landscape. For the sky, I'll be using wet on wet technique. This technique is basically applying paint on a wet surface. So I'll apply a thin coat of water, then start adding the colors of the sky. While my sky is still wet, I'll grab a shade of purple and then just tap it on the sky to give the effect of the cloud. Then I'll move on to painting the fence, the pine trees, tree and the house. lastly, I'll just sprinkle white color on the sky to give the effect of the snowfall. Then once your painting is completely dry, remove your masking tape at an angle which is away from the paper so that your paper won't tear up. And that's it, you are done. I hope you enjoyed painting these beautiful greeting cards.